देशभर गायींचे हत्येचेर बंदी घाल्या खरी, मात गोंयांत बेकायदेशीर गायी मारप चालू आसा। कोलवा पोलिसांनी नागवाडे वेल्यार रेड मारून कत्तलखान्याचो पात्रांव इरफान बेपारीक अटक केली। ताका शेनवारा सांजे बेल मेळ्ळी। ह्या कत्तलखान्यांतल्यान 3 म्हशी आनी 4 गायींची सुटका केली। रेडीत हालींच मारिल्ल्या 42 गायींची चामडी आनी हाडां सांपडली। ही कारवाय गोंया भायल्या एक्टिविस्टांचे म्हायती उपरांत जाली।
कोलवा पोलिसांनी नागवाड्यार बेकायदेशीर कत्तलखान्याचेर रेड मारली। कारवायेत बेकायदेशीरपणान कत्तल करपाक हाडिल्ल्या 3 म्हशी आनी 4 गायींची सुटका केली। रेडीत हालींच मारिल्ल्या 42 गायींची चामडी आनी हाडां सांपडली। कत्तलखान्याचो पात्रांव इरफान बेपारीक कोलवा पोलिसांनी अटक केल्या।
In a pitch dark, cows are tying there again in a pathetic situation, right? So now then we went to, we came to the Kolba police station and we requested PSI to come with us.
We looked through the whole place and we found that there was an illegal slaughterhouse that was functioning right inside the place, right next to it. And because of the stench, we came to know that the things that were there, it seemed that it was fresh. Whatever just happened, we could see blood. There was also some salt that was lying over there. Other than that, what we witnessed is when we went outside, the ladies witnessed that there were some bones.
Then also, we requested PSI. Now we want this person to come out. We want to survey the entire place. I was just standing there and I was just getting fishy smell, very stinking smell. And it was like I saw this, that container, kadai, and this lying there, and the ashes of bones. Then we thought that there's something, and when we have that smell, so we thought no, definitely there's something. Then we told him, we asked him, either you'll open these crates or shall we do that? And then the moment we opened one crate, we saw, yes, there's a skin of cows, and then another, and then another, and the skin of calves as well. And this I don't know, his name is Irfan, right? Then he immediately admitted in the front of all police corps that yes, it was brought. He runs some market, some shop in Madgaon. He kills there and brought it here, and he kills here also. And then he said, it's a 2 months old stock.
बेपारीक शेनवारा सांज मेरेन जामिनार सोडलो। देशभर गायी मारपाक बंदी असताना गोंयांत मात हे प्रकार चालूच आसात। रेड आनी कारवाय जाली झारखंडच्या एनिमल लवर आनी दिल्लीच्या रेस्क्यू टीमीच्या कागाळीचेर। आता खंय प्रकरणाची चौकशी चल्ल्या।
वास्को एकल्याक बेकायदेशीर गोरू मारले म्हूण धरलो।
ये सर हमारा कुर्बानी है, हमारा कुर्बानी है, इसके लिए पाड़ा काटा है।
ऐसा काटने के लिए आपको परमिशन लिया आपने?
परमिशन घेऊन ना सर, कुर्बानी हा ते आमचे परंपरा एका लागून आमचे
गव्हर्नमेंटाने सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाने जे बॅन घातलेले आसा, तुझे जर जनावर कापपाक जाय जाल्यार उसगांव वरून कापपाक जाय।
होय, ती मातशी आमची मिस्टेक जाली, ती हांव मानून घेता, पण हांव नाशिल्लो हिंगा, हांव येवन मागीर हे केला ते हांवच केला।
प्रुडंटा खातीर कोलवाच्यान सावियो डायस आनी वास्कोच्यान सुरेंद्र मडकयकार।
घेऊ एक ब्रेक।